Okay, so we're going to take a look at 4 different chords here. Okay, E minor, E major, A minor, A major 7. Okay, so we're going to start with, and what's interesting is 2 of these chords share the same exact shape. Okay, so that will help everybody remember. So the E major, you've got your first finger on 1st fret, 3rd string. Second finger goes on your 2nd fret, 5th string. Third finger goes on 2nd fret, 4th string. Okay, so this shape here, the same exact shape, if we bring this whole shape down one string, we have the A minor. This is the A minor. 1st fret, okay, 2nd string, 2nd finger goes on 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then the 3rd finger goes, 2nd fret, 4th string, 3rd finger goes on to the 2nd fret and 3rd string. This is the A minor, okay? Take this whole same exact shape up one string, and you have the E major. So here's the E major. Okay, in order to go from the E major to the E minor, we're just going to remove this first finger right here. Okay, now we're at E minor. Now, a minor is always going to sound more down, more melancholy. Majors will sound more upbeat, optimistic. I'm helping it a little bit by playing a little bit slower, but you get the point. So A minor down here. Take that shape up one string. Stay in the lane, same fret. E major. Now, to go from the A minor to the A major 7, it's a pretty easy chord change also. You're going to remove your first finger, second finger, drop down one string. So, whenever I think of this chord, I kind of think of like to me it feels like a chord with a hole in it. Or a donut hole chord. So I'm going to make another video that goes over the different chord charts. But let me do this real close. Okay, so A major 7, you're going to have, you can do this too. This would be kind of goofy. In some situations where you're going to go to a different chord change or something, I don't know. It probably doesn't make sense ever, but it might make sense in some situation. Now, to do it the best way, I would say your second finger goes on the 2nd fret, 4th string. Third finger goes on 2nd fret, 2nd string. So you're skipping this finger, this string. The 3rd string, you're playing it open. All of the strings except for the 6th string on this A7, you're playing them all. So you got a bunch of open strings. You have your 1st string that's open, your 3rd string that's open, and your 5th. Okay, A minor, you have that 3rd string covered up, and it's a different chord altogether. However, hopefully that helps. Again, A minor, E major. You're gonna see the same thing later when you get into bar chords. It's kind of this finger up here, and it's because of the way we tune the guitar. So this would be a major. If you look at this shape right here, see that shape? We bring it all the way over here. You can take this shape all over the place with either a capo or your finger here as a bar. But what I was trying to say a minute ago is you take your fingers from here and you drop them down one string, and this is a minor now. So I'm getting way off track, but that would be a minor there. We're going to stop there. I'm going to make another video that goes over the different chord shapes and share that.